I'm Andy. This is Steph and Arthur. Viking Contractors got a hold of us after a hailstorm came through our neighborhood, and Rigo, our salesperson, was super friendly right from the start and explained everything that is involved with getting a new roof, and even helped us through all the steps of the insurance process and made that very easy for us. And the day that the crew actually came and did the work was really easy. They were, friendly and cleaned up well after the job was done and left us with a beautiful new roof and gutters as well. We would highly recommend Viking Contractors to anyone who is looking to get a new roof or other work done on their house. We will definitely use them again in the future if we ever need to.